Welcome to the Complete Podcast. If you're considering switching to a new IT support provider, you may feel uncertain about where to start. Change can be challenging, but staying with the wrong provider costs far more in the long run. Just as Jeremy Wanamaker, CEO of Complete Network, puts it, don't put up with a poor provider simply because switching seems too hard. The setbacks you'll experience by staying with the wrong partner will lead to much more lost time than the time it takes to make the switch. So, we're here to help you simplify the process by telling you what to look for. Your IT partner should have expertise in your specific business domain. Prioritize those who understand your industry's software, compliance, and security needs. Look for testimonials that showcase specific outcomes, like improved efficiency or enhanced security. Trust only those that provide real examples and verifiable references. During the request for proposal phase, assess not only the technical details, but also the clarity, personalization, and presentation of their plan. It should be free of jargon and tailored to your needs. Once you've chosen a new provider, a smooth onboarding process is essential. Start with a fresh audit of your IT environment to establish a clear baseline. Set expectations by clearly communicating your goals and past challenges. Finally, involve your staff in the transition. Explain the reasons for the switch, address any concerns, and provide ongoing training to help them adapt. For more details, read the full article on our website. And don't forget to add the Complete Podcast to your Spotify playlist.